Mahin is used for the lining of the wind outlet of the fans, air conditioner and the cover for fans, etc. It could process 2 or more outlets in square or rectangle shape. By rotating at high speed, the metal material is turned into the shape we want. It works on the principle that the metal blank is held in place and then pressure is exerted on the metal blank through the spinning wheel, allowing the metal material to gradually fit the mold and eventually take shape.